So our question is, if C be the centroid of the triangle having vertices 3, -1, 1, 3 and 2, 4, let P be the point of intersection of the lines, and these are the equations, then the line passing through the point C and P also passes through the point. So we have A 3, -1, B 1, 3 and C 2, 4. So the centroid will be 3 plus 1 plus 2 upon 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus 4 upon 3. So after this our C will come out to be 2, 2. So the point of intersection of line x plus 3y plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 and 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0 will be, so P minus 1 upon 5 2, 5 will be x1 y1 and C2 2 will be x2 y2. So the C equation of line passing through CP will be slope m equals 2, 5 minus 2 upon minus 1, 5 minus 2 equals minus 8 upon 5 upon 11 upon 5 equals 8 upon 11. So now we can just calculate for y minus 2 equals 8 upon 11 x minus 2. So this will come out to be 8x minus 11y plus 6 equals 0. So as you can see, only this equation satisfies the equation. So our answer will be minus 9 comma minus 6, which is B.